So good morning students. So in the redox chapter, right now we will discuss, you can say, that is balancing of a redox reaction. How we balance a redox chemical change. Balancing of redox reaction. Balancing of redox reaction. Particularly there are two methods to balance a redox chemical change. First one, that is ion electron method, and the second one, that is by oxidation number change method, or you can say by oxidation number method. By oxidation number method. So let us first discuss the first type of balancing, that is ion electron method, and we proceed this method directly through example. Ion electron method. Ion electron method. Suppose I am writing a question, balance, and we balance a redox reaction in two medium, particularly in acidic medium, in basic or alkaline medium. Basic or alkaline medium. Let us proceed directly through an example. Suppose balance the equation by ion electron method, that is an equation is given you KMnO4 plus Ki plus HCl giving rise to MnCl2 plus I2 plus KCl plus H2O plus H2. This one is equation given to us to balance through ion electron method. So first step, we just remove spectator ions. So spectator ions means, I have told you, spectator ions. Spectator ions means the ions whose oxidation number do not change in the reaction. Remember it? So right now you see in this equation, this one is K plus 1, first one assigned the charge plus 1, and Mn, that will be plus 7. Oxygen minus 2 as usual, K plus 1, I minus 1, here H plus 1, chlorine minus 1, MnCl2 plus 2 minus 1, chlorine, I2 free element, 3 molecule 0. Next this one K plus, Cl minus, and water. Here also hydrogen having plus 1, oxygen minus 2, but this one is a covalent molecule. Right now you see spectator ions whose oxidation number do not change. You just cancel this. K, potassium, just remove potassium from either side, and chlorine also having minus 1, here minus 1, remove chlorine also. This one is a salt, so you can write down its ionic equation. The ionic equation will be this one is molecular equation. The first one, this one is molecular equation. Right now you convert the molecular equation into ionic equation by removing spectator ions. So ionic equation will be what? MnO4 minus K plus MnO4 minus, and here plus simply I minus plus HCl, you can write H plus. It is acidic medium, so no need to write this H plus, it will automatically balance in the final expression. So you just write down its ionic equation, MnO4 minus plus I minus giving rise to Mn2 plus, and 2Cl minus are spectra trions get cancelled, plus I2 KCl totally vanished, plus H2O, this one is a covalently bonded molecule. So this is the ionic equation, you can say H plus. This one is ionic equation. Right now the step 2, this is step 1. Step 1. Step 2, what you have to do? Step 2, mention the change in oxidation number, or you can say assign the oxidation number to every species. So you just see MnO4 minus, definitely manganese having oxidation state +7, because X minus 8 equal to -1, so its oxidation number will be +7, plus I minus, clear. Now H plus, it is the medium, forget about that, giving rise to Mn, since the medium is acidic already, you see HCl, so I am balancing this equation right now in acidic medium, clear. So I minus giving rise to Mn2 plus I2. So you see the species whose oxidation number go on changing, Mn +7 to +2, that is reduction, decrease in positive charge, so gaining 5 electrons, so this is reduction. Right now this one is -1, from -1 to 0, increase in oxidation number, this is oxidation. Now in step 3, what you have to do? Split the equation into 2 half. Step 3, split the equation into 2 halves. Two halves means one is oxidation half reaction, another one is reduction half reaction. So first one, that is oxidation half reaction, so that can be written as, here this one, I minus get converted into I2 0. So what is, how many electrons get lost over here? 1 iodine lost 1 electron over here, that converted into normally I2. So if 2 iodine are there to balance the number of atoms, so here will be 2 electron loss. This is oxidation half reaction. Right now reduction half reaction, you just see gain of electron, MnO4 minus converted into Mn2 plus. How many electrons it gained? +7 to +2, that means 5 electron it has gained, that will be 5 electron gain and converted into Mn2 plus. And remember, the 3 electrons should be cancelled. Okay, so that's why I can, in step 4 you have to add. In this step I am adding, so 2 electrons, 5 electron, you can multiply 5 over here and 2 over here. Is that clear? So 10 electron. So if I ask you the net electron change in the redox reaction, that will be 10 electrons get cancelled. Now you can write 2 MnO4 minus plus 10 I minus get converted into 5 I2 plus 2Mn2 plus. Clear? So now the step 3, you have to balance the number of oxygen atoms first. Step 4, balance the number of oxygen atoms. Clear? So here you see, balance the number of oxygen atoms by adding required number of water molecules at the deficient side, So here you see how many oxygen atoms are there, 8, and here no oxygen atoms are there, so you have to add 8 water in this side. So 2MnO4 minus plus 10I minus, giving rise to 5I2 plus 2Mn2 plus 8H2O. Clear? Now so this equation that will be giving rise to 5I2 plus 2Mn2 plus 8H2O. Clear? Now in order to balance the hydrogen atoms, the step 5, balance the hydrogen atoms by adding required number of H plus ions to the deficient side, Right now how many hydrogen atoms are there at the right side? 16. No hydrogen atoms, so you just add 16H plus in this side, the left side. So the equation will be 2MnO4 minus plus 10I minus plus 16H plus, it will give you 5I2 plus 2Mn2 plus 8H2O, Clear? And now you just cross check the balance. After doing all the things, you have to balance the charge. If the charge is not balanced on the both sides, then you conclude that there must be some wrong that you have made in this equation. That clear? So now calculate the charge. 2 minus 10 minus 12 minus 16H plus, so that will net will be 4 positive, 4H plus 4 positive, 10 minus 2 minus, that will be 12 minus, and 16 plus, 16 unit of positive charge, 12 unit of negative charge, so the net result is 4 positive. And here you see 2, 4 positive, so charge is balanced. Right now this one is your balanced redox reaction by ion electron method. So now you have to convert this into again molecular form. Just add those ions, spectator ions over here, 2 KMnO4 plus 10 Ki plus 16 HCl, giving rise to 5I2 plus 2 MnCl2 plus 8H2O. Clear? So 16 HCl's are there, and here how many HCl you just see? 4 HCl. Okay, so 10 Ki, and we have removed this KCl totally from the right side, so we just manage over here, that is, so that will be 12. How many potassiums you just calculate over here? 10. So 10 KCl. Right now you see number of Cl atoms, that is equal to 16 Cl atoms. Okay, let me, so it's easy. that will be 12 KCl. 12 KCl. Right now this one is the balance redox reaction. Clear? So this is the detailed procedure of balancing of a equation in acidic medium. Clear? Again let us balance this equation redox change by ion electron method, and definitely the medium is acidic medium. You can see H plus is written there. Okay, so no need to split it, it's already being an ionic equation. So just mention the oxidation number and let's check where the oxidation number undergo change. MnO4 42 minus 8, so this one is plus 7, and here 2 minus 8 6 plus 3, carbon oxidation number plus 3. This one is medium, forget about that. Now this one is plus 2, and here no doubt this is plus 4. So manganese from plus 7 to plus 2, this one is reduction. Carbon plus 3 to plus 4, this one is oxidation. Now split the two half equations. One is oxidation half reaction. So here I can write C2O4 2 minus get converted into CO2, and what is the change in oxidation number? Plus 3 to plus 4. 1 electron get lost, so since there is 2 carbon atoms over here, so you can write over here 2 electrons. That clear? And balance, there are 2 carbon atoms, I can write over here 2 CO2. Next, that is reduction half reaction. That can be written as MnO4 minus gains how many electrons? 7 to plus 2, that is 5 electron it has gained. 5 electron get converted into Mn2 plus. That clear? So right now I have to add these two equations. So you just multiply, no free electron should be there, multiply 5 over here, multiply 2 over here. 10 electron get cancelled. So write down the equation 2 5 C2O4 2 minus plus 2 MnO4 minus get converted into 10 CO2 plus 2 Mn2 plus. Clear? Right now we have to balance the number of oxygen atom first. So how many oxygen atoms are there? 5 4 20, and here 8. That is total number of 28 number of oxygens are at this side. So in this side 20, so I need 8 water molecules over here to balance the number of oxygen atoms. And how many hydrogen atoms you just calculate? 16, so you have to add over here 16H plus. So this one is the, right now again we have to check the charge. So 10 units of negative charge, 5 into minus 2, minus 10, minus 2, minus 12, and 16H plus. So that is 4H plus, 4 positive, and here 2 to 4 positive. So this is the balance redox reaction in acidic medium. Let us explain one balancing which involves your alkaline medium. Okay. Now let us balance this equation in alkaline medium by ion electron method. In alkaline medium. And it is also confirmed this is OH minus ion is there. So clearly this equation is in alkaline medium or basic medium. So you just proceed like that. First assign the oxidation number 0. So iodine having plus 5, and this one is medium, forget about that. Here this is plus 7. Okay, iO4 minus, how you can calculate? Let the oxidation number of iodine X, and you know each oxygen -2 plus 4 into -2, that is equal to overall charge -1. So X minus 8, that is equal to -1, X is equal to +7. So what is the oxidation number of IO4 minus +7? Okay. Now Cl minus, already it has -1 charge. So now compare from Cl0 to -1, this is reduction. That clear? So +5 to +7, this one is oxidation. Now separate oxidation half reaction and reduction half reaction. Oxidation half reaction, that will be IO3 minus get converted into IO4 minus. So +5 to +7, loss of how many electrons? 2 electrons per atom. Iodine is single one species over here, single atom. Now just calculate reduction half reaction. If I consider reduction half reaction, that is Cl2 converted into Cl minus. Clear? So tell me Cl2 from 0 to -1, gain of 1 electron, gain of 1 electron. So if Cl2 molecule is there, it gains 2 electrons. To get converted into 2 Cl minus, I can write over here. So the number of electrons get cancelled right now this way. So the equation will be IO3 minus plus Cl2 giving rise to IO4 minus plus 2 Cl minus. Clear? So now in this case, that is I have already reached at step 4. So in step 4, before particularly in alkaline medium, before balancing of hydrogen and oxygen atoms, first balance the charge. First balance the charge. Balance the charge. First balance the charge. So here you see how many charges are there? Only negative charge there, -1 charge there, and here -2, -1, -3. So extra 2 negative charge required over here. So for 2 negative charge, what you have to do? You have to add 2 OH minus ions at this side. So that is IO3 minus plus Cl2 plus 2 OH minus giving rise to IO4 minus plus 2 Cl minus. Clear? And now one water molecule was there. Just write down water as such plus H2O. Now you see this equation is right now balanced. IO3 oxygen 4, so oxygen 4 plus 1 5, and here 3 2 5. Clear? Cl2 balanced. Hydrogen 2 already balanced. Clear? So this is the balancing of equation in alkaline medium. So in alkaline medium, we remember before balancing the oxygen and the hydrogen atoms, first you balance the charge by adding the required number of OH minus ions at the deficient side. Okay, so here in step 4, before balancing this one, balance the charge by adding required number of OH minus ions at the deficient side. And hydrogen automatically it get balanced. Clear? Students, let us balance this equation. In alkaline medium, already OH minus is there. So first you just assign the oxidation number to each species. Iodine 0, oxygen OH minus, you see OH minus. Okay, so oxygen -2 and hydrogen +1, and here in this case iodine minus 6 plus 1, that is plus 5. Just calculate. You see iodine already minus 1 is there, and H2O, so medium, forget about that. So what is the specialty in this reaction? You see, in this reaction iodine simultaneously get oxidized and same iodine also get reduced. So this is one type of which one? Disproportionation reaction. This reaction is a disproportionation reaction. So if disproportionation reaction you have got, I am suggesting you balance this equation by ion electron method. Follow for disproportionation reaction, follow ion electron method. Ion electron method only for disproportionation reaction. That will be easy to you. Right now split the equation into two halves. Oxidation half reaction will be I2 converted into iO3 minus. Clear? So how many electrons lost? 0 to 5. That means loss of 5 electrons are there. Loss of 5 electrons are there, and there are 2 iodines. Just multiply 2 over here. Clear? Now again same iodine get converted into I minus. That means 0 to minus 1, gain of 1 electron, and there are 2 iodines. I can write 2 electrons over here and a 2I minus. Clear? Now this electron should be cancelled as I have suggested you. Here you multiply 2 and here you multiply 5. 10 electron get cancelled. So the net electron change I can write over here. Net electron change during redox change, that will be 10 electrons. Clear? Now add it. So that will be 2I2, 5I2, 2I2, 5I2, that will be 7I2. Clear? So students, here you see I2 get converted into iO3 minus. So here the loss of oxidation half reaction, how many electrons it has lost? I2 to iO3. How many electrons? 5 electrons. For iodine atom 5 electrons. So here how many iodine atoms are there? 2. So for 2 iodine atoms I can write over here 10 electrons. That clear? 10 electrons. And you balance the number of iodine atoms, 2 over here. So right now it's okay, everything. So I2, how many I2 you can get over here? 6 I2, giving rise to 2 iO3 minus plus 10 I minus. Since the medium is alkaline, I have told you first balance the charge. So here how many charge? 3 negative charge. So you just add 3 OH over here. 6 I2 plus 3 OH minus, leading to 2 iO3 minus plus 10 I minus. Now 3 negative balance charge. Number of iodines 12, it's okay. Number of hydrogen 3 OH minus. So number of oxygen atom first you just calculate 6, and here number of oxygens, that is 3. Okay, so you have left this medium one, that is H2O. Right now you see how many? So here you have to add 12 OH minus, 2 minus and 10 minus, 12 minus. So you have to add 12 OH minus over here. 12 OH minus over here. Clear? Right now you see how many hydrogen and oxygen atoms, automatically it get balanced. That will be 6H2, you can do it over here, 6H2 12. So now this equation is balanced in alkaline medium. Friends, let us discuss the second way of balancing, that is by oxidation number method. So balancing of redox reaction, balancing of redox reaction by oxidation number method, by oxidation number method. So oxidation number method, I am proceeding through an example, that is, let's say copper plus HNO3, medium is acidic, you know, giving rise to copper nitrate plus NO2 plus H2O. As I have told you, you have to cancel the spectator ions. So spectator ions here, just assign the oxidation number, copper 0, nitrogen plus 5 in nitrate ion, and here also copper having oxidation state plus 2, and here nitrogen, that is plus 5, no change in oxidation number of this nitrogen. Here that is plus 4 oxidation state of nitrogen, and water, you know, so medium, don't worry for that. So spectator ions are here only nitrate ions, so you just cancel nitrate ions. What is the equation? Cu plus, you can write over here, NO3 minus H plus NO3 minus H plus, you know, that is medium. NO3 minus I am writing over here, giving rise to Cu2 plus NO2, here plus 4 is there. Now you see from 0 to plus 2, this is oxidation. And what is the change in oxidation number? 0 to 2, to change in oxidation number, that is 2. Clear? So from here to here you calculate the oxidation number of nitrogen, that is coming out to be plus 5, and here is plus 4. This is reduction. So how much unit is reduced? From plus 5 to plus 4, only 1 unit is reduced. Clear? So you just, what you have to do actually, you just cross multiply these two digits, just cross multiply the change in oxidation number only at reactant sides, So 1 will be here and 2 will be here, alternate. So I can write Cu plus 2NO3 minus leading to Cu2 plus NO2. Clear? You know the medium is acidic. Right now just balance the atoms. 2 nitrogen atoms are there. Clear? Now balance the oxygen atoms. 6 oxygen atoms are here, and here 4 oxygen atoms are there. So you add 2 H2O molecule over here. Now the number of hydrogen atoms becomes 4, and here no hydrogen is there, so you have to add 4H plus. Clear? Now just balance the charge over here, 2 minus 4 plus, so result is plus 2, and here plus 2 is there, so charge is balanced. So this one is the required balancing ionic equation, but I have told you finally you have to convert it into its molecular form. So Cu plus 2NO3. So you have removed this H plus. Okay, so add H plus over there. So you can get 2HNO3 plus 4H plus are also there. 4H plus giving rise to Cu2 plus. You have removed 2NO3, just add NO3 over here. So again you have to add more 2NO3 over here also, that will be 4HNO3. 2NO3 was there and 2NO3 was added, so 4NO3 4H plus. So overall I can write 4HNO3. Clear? So directly I can write 4HNO3. 4HNO3. Clear? So CuNO3 whole 2 plus 2NO2 plus 2H2O. Right now this equation is balanced. Redox reaction by oxidation number method. So this is one of the quickest method. You can follow this oxidation number method in my point of view to solve the redox chemical change. But in case of disproportionation reaction, what you have to do? You proceed through ion electron method. Let us solve another redox reaction. So let us balance this equation. Very interesting equation is given you, and medium is acidic, you know. Let us cancel, remove all the spectator ions. Potassium plus 1, chromium minus 14. So here the oxidation state of chromium, that is potassium plus 1, 2 plus 2x minus 14 equal to 0. 2x that is equal to 14 minus 2, that is 12, x becomes 6. So chromium plus 6, oxygen minus 2, you know. Is that clear? So how to cancel the spectator ions over here? And here H plus 1, Cl minus 1, K plus 1, Cl minus 1, Cr Cl3, here chromium plus 3, chlorine minus 1, and water as usual plus 1 minus 2, and Cl2 0. So locate the species whose oxidation number is not changed at all. Potassium removed as spectator ions. Clear? And hydrogen plus 1, Cl minus 1. So we need to assign, you see the oxidation number of Cl minus 1 here, that is converted into 0. So oxidation state of chlorine is being changed. So you just remove. So the ionic equation can be written as, the ionic equation can be written as Cr2O7 2 minus, after removing 2, K plus Cr2O7 2 minus plus, medium is acidic note, Cl minus, the giving rise to KCl, you just remove it, no need to write down KCl again. So Cr3 plus, here the oxidation state of chromium was plus 6. Water, its medium, also forget about that, plus Cl2 0. So from here plus 6 to plus 3, that is reduction. How many unit? Plus 6 to plus 3, 3 unit. But there are how many chromium atoms? 2. So you can write 2 into 3, that is equal to 6 unit. Clear? And here Cl minus 1 to 0, that is called oxidation. So how many increase in oxidation number, units of increase in oxidation number is there? Minus 1 to 0, loss of 1 electron, so 1 unit, and it is also having 1, so 1 over here. Now you just cross multiply it as I have told you, 1 here to 6 here, so that will be Cr2O7 2 minus plus 6Cl minus giving rise to Cr3 plus Cl2. Clear? Right now there are 2 chromium atoms. You can multiply 2 over here to balance the atoms other than hydrogen and oxygen. 6Cl minus, you can multiply over here 3. Now atom get balanced. Now the number of oxygen atoms, there is 7 oxygen atoms and here no, so you can 6H2O. And how many hydrogen atoms? 14, so you can add over here 14H plus. Clear? Now just look at the charge balance, whether charge is balanced or not. I have told you -2, -6, -8 plus 14, that is net charge is 7 positive, and here plus 6. Okay, you just again here you calculate -2, -6, -8. Oh, that will be 6 positive, plus 6, and here also plus 6. So charge is balanced. So finally we should write down its molecular equation. Is that clear? So molecular equation, how can we write? Just see, you have removed K2, add K2Cr2O7. Clear? Plus 6Cl minus and 14H plus are there. So can I write 6HCl first plus again 6Cl minus 6H plus, remaining 8H plus in this side, keep it as usual, giving rise to 2Cr3 plus, you can add 2CrCl3, clear, plus 3Cl2 plus 7H2O, and we have completely removed this KCl. How can I solve this expression for KCl? So how many chlorine atoms are there in this side? 6. So 6, 6, 12 Cl atoms are there. So I can write, and 14H plus, it's okay. So you just do over here 8, 6, 14 HCl. Okay, so that will be 14 HCl. Now we see 6, 6, 12, 14 HCl, 2 potassium. Right now this is the molecular equation, and you have balanced this equation. Clear? Now let us discuss what happens in alkaline medium. Okay, let us balance this equation, and clearly the medium is alkaline medium. OH minus is given to you by oxidation number method. Chlorine 0, and what is the oxidation state of here? That will be +5, and here +7. Chlorine already -1. So Cl0 to -1 reduced. How many units? 0 to -1, 1 unit, but 2 Cl atoms are there, so 2 into 1, that is 2. Now from I +5 to +7, increase in oxidation number, that is oxidized. How many units? +5 to +7, 2. Only 1 iodine is there, so here 2. So we can cancel out 2 over here. The net change is, electron change is 1. So you can write as usual Cl2 plus iO3 minus, this one is medium, forget about that, iO4 minus plus Cl minus. Now balance the, before balancing of hydrogen and oxygen in alkaline medium, I have told you first you have to balance the charge. Now you see there are 2 Cl atoms, first balance 2 Cl atoms over here, 1 iodine is there, and forget about oxygen. Right now it's the time for balancing charge. You see -1 and -2, -3 in this side, and here only negative charge is there, so you just add 2 OH minus in this side, plus 2 OH minus. Right now charge is balanced, okay, and hydrogen it is automatically balanced, you don't bother about that. So 2 OH minus, so charge is balanced. Just write down the final equation like this: Cl2 plus iO3 minus plus 2 OH minus, giving rise to iO4 minus plus 2 Cl minus. Clear? And you see there was a water molecule, you can write down over here H2O. You see 2 Cl, 2 Cl, 1 iodine, 1 iodine. Number of oxygen atoms 3 to 5, and here 4, 5. Hydrogen only 2 over here, 2 also over here. Charge is balanced, atom is balanced, so this one is the balance redox reaction in alkaline medium. Okay, hopefully you got it. We have taught today how to balance the redox reactions in 2 ways: ion electron method and oxidation number method, including their medium also, in acidic medium and in basic medium. Okay, so thank you for watching.